Welcome back to Camus Classics. So today what we have for you, we got our fuel injection system in here. I did update it when I first installed it last year, but I did notice there is a new update for it, so let me show you how you do that. I'll show you what we got first, and then we'll go do it. So you do it with the computer. So turn the key to run. It's turning on. So if I go here to File and Hardware Firmware, shows me the last one. This was from 2016. It's 1.3.5. So I know there is a new one. I believe it's 1.18 or something like that. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Do home, shut it off. So the way you do that is there is an SD card right here. Just pop that out, pull that out, and we'll go in and I'll show you how to get the file and how to copy off of this what you need and then put the new one in. So we'll jump over to the computer. So we're here at our computer. What we're going to be using is a USB-C to SD card reader. Our computer doesn't have one, so we'll do that. We're going to actually jump in and do a screen capture from the computer for you, so you can see moving around and stuff like that, and we'll come back to you when we go back out to the car to upgrade the EFI system. Okay, so we have our computer here. We'll go ahead and open this up and show you what we got. Open our USB drive. So these are the files. This is the file for the screen, 3.5-inch screen. Drag this a little out of the way. In Holley here we have our few different firmwares. And notice I'm just kind of clicking through these. I'm looking for the latest one, which is the 0103, and here is our base tune. Since we have done the tune, we want to go ahead and save that. So we're going to go ahead and grab that off and just copy it out here to our desktop so that we have it. Because what we're going to do is we are going to hop here back to this. And we are going to go here to the Sniper EFI SD card contents. And let me call this Sniper. So here's our file. We're going to go ahead and extract that. I just right-clicked and did extract. And if we now pull this to the side, you'll see if we go in here, so what we're going to do is we're going to hop back to the base folder and do Control A to select everything, delete it off our USB drive. And we're going to take our new downloaded file, copy that, move everything back. And then we're going to hop in here to Holley to there, go back into our saved, and we're going to grab that file, which is our base tune, and drop that back on there. So basically what that did was we did our update of the software, but we now have our tune back in there, so we'll just update that. It's a pretty simple process. The other thing they have is they have this tool that if you have more of the CPU type thing, you can plug it in. There it found my thing, my SD card. Let me make sure I do still have that file in there. I do. So this will, and this is why I don't like to use that tool. It doesn't work real well. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, so I don't like to use that. The easiest way is definitely just to download the file, copy everything over to the micro SD card, and then go ahead and copy and paste. But make sure if you've done the learning on it that you save off this file and then put it back. And that way you'll have your tune. You don't have to start from scratch with relearning. Otherwise you'd have to go back through the wizard and go through and relearn everything. So we're ready to go back now to the car, plug this in, and we'll... Okay, so we have our card. We're back out here at the car. Let me jump in and show you what you got to do. So we'll take, again, this just slides into a slot right here. It can only go in one way. And it's in. We turn the car to run. It's going to go through and do its check and do the update for us. So it's just going through, verifying all the files are good, that it's good to update. Okay. So the important thing here is this, upgrade complete okay. It's green, not red. So we've got remove SD, reboot device. So pop that out, turn the key back off, turn the key back on. It should fail because it doesn't know it. So down here at the bottom, it's searching for our USB, or for our micro SD, or our SD card. It is actually a micro SD. It's inside a SD card wrapper. Turn that back to run. Okay. And then the only other step we've got to do, click File and Local Setup. Nope, it's Sniper EFI configs. So there's that file we put back on. We want to select it. If you have other files, so if you wanted to do a complete relearn, you could save the file, do a complete relearn, and then put this file back on there. And then if you didn't like it, you wanted to go back to the old one, you can have multiple in here. We only have the one that we put back on, so we go ahead and click that and upload to ECU. Go ahead and click OK. And again, reset. Turn the key off, count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it back on. Again, I'm just going to the run position. And we should be able to now go to our monitor, our multi-gauge, and I like the vitals one. And we... So there it goes, fired back up. So our system is now, go ahead and shut that off so you can hear me. Our system's now fully updated, ready to go. It's got the tune in there, so we don't have to go back through that. So that's what we got for today, showing you how to do that. Really a simple process, but finding that on the internet is very difficult. So hopefully you find our channel and you see that. I'm just going to put this back in our glove box and hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.